Most people don't think about cable management for desks until cords get impossibly tangled. And, it doesn't help that all cords and cables look the same. Unplugging the wrong one could lead to an Indiana Jones-esque disaster cutscene in your office. Instead of running away from a boulder falling from the ceiling, you run to the surge strip to replug in the printer so you can spend the next 5 minutes waiting for it to turn back on. However, taking your desk from Medusa's lair to something you'd find on Lifehack TikTok is possible. The best cable management for desks will make your home office easier on the eyes and ensure that a snag doesn't send your expensive computer equipment flying. Number 1. Alex Deck 10 feet, half-inch cord protector wire loom tubing cable. If you're new to using cable management systems, or if you're a seasoned cable management vet looking to up their setup, this protective split sleeve is versatile enough to use alone or with an underdesk organizer. You can even use them to manage the few unsightly wires behind the soundbar or AV receiver in your home theater setup. You receive 10 feet of it for $8.99, making it incredibly price-friendly, and sizing goes from half diameter / 10 feet long to 3/8 diameter and 25 feet long. They have a melt temperature of 446 degrees Fahrenheit and are recognized by Underwriters Laboratories, UL, a consumer safety organization. What does this mean? You don't have to worry about sitting near a potential fire hazard, like an overclocked gaming computer. Putting them around wires is easy. Fit the cables in the sleeve, cut off the excess, and you're done. Plus, it's easy to split wires thanks to the design. Just separate the wire you want to take out of the bundle and let the sleeve self-wrap. Although the manufacturer says that it protects against kitty cat's claws and teeth, we recommend keeping this sleeving away from animals just in case. Number 2. Stand-up desk store under desk cable management tray. This cable management system was built for stand-up desks and doubles as a modesty panel. Standing desks help with productivity. However, worrying about wires can mess with your ability to focus on the task at hand. Stress no more with the stand-up desk store under desk cable management tray. As the name suggests, it's built specifically as cable management for standing desks. The tray can fit a surge strip and then some, and it doubles as a modesty panel. It's incredibly sturdy, and the lip on the inside prevents cables and wires from spilling over when taking your standing desk sky high. It's worth noting that it only attaches using screws. You'll have to flip your desk and have an electric screwdriver handy to make the process easier. It comes with a 5-year warranty in case you're not happy with your purchase. However, we think you, your knees, your focus, and your expensive electronics will thank you. Number 3. Tesson Power Strip with Cable Management Box. This hub is like a surge strip that hides the outlets with a plastic privacy hood. Unlike some surge strips, it comes with 2 USB-A ports so that you can save the 4 AC outlets for things with AC outlets. You can set it below or on your desk. If you're looking to keep your desk area more clutter-free, you can even mount it to the wall. An angled flat plug keeps your second outlet open for another device. The only downside of this great hub is the lack of USB-C ports. Made of high-quality and fire-resistant ABS plastic, featured with 4 locking buckles, hiding power strip and cables inside the box, protecting kids and pets from directly touching the power strips and electrical cables at all times, that's easy for adults, effortless one hand to open with a middle easy open lip mechanism, yet difficult for a toddler to use. When exceeds 1250 watts, the on/off switch will trip off automatically, providing a safe, risk-free environment for all. Number 4. Smartish Cable Wrangler. Charging cables are an essential but disorganized tech accessory, but Smartish's Cable Wrangler makes them easy to keep in line. If charging cables are giving you trouble, Smartish's Cable Wrangler is a great solution. The cable organizer has a magnetic top that'll keep all your charging cables aligned and at the ready. It won't work with larger cords, though. A big part of the Cable Wrangler's appeal is its small size. You can easily pick it up and move it around on your desk when you'd like, but it won't slip around on its own, thanks to a rubberized base. While the cords will attach to this organizer's magnetic top, Smartish also includes magnetized cable collars to wrap around them to ensure an even stronger connection. Number 5. Newland Reusable Cable Ties. You don't have to spend much to organize your cables with these simple, easy-to-use Velcro strips. Getting the cables around your desk doesn't need to cost a fortune. In fact, you only need about $6 and some change to get started. These Velcro reusable cable ties are flexible and versatile. You can use them to bundle a group of wires together, or you can use them to gather excess cable into a suitable length. You can also use them to keep rogue cables neat and tidy since they have a tendency to magically tangle when not in use. Using them with other cable management systems, like the ones above, can take your desk organization to the next level. For example, instead of letting your wire bundle flop around, stow them in an underdesk tray. Plus, you can use them anywhere. Got a guitar cable that you're not using? Velcro strap. Holiday lights? Velcro strap. Colored pencils? Velcro strap. And, with 60 in a pack, you won't feel guilty about using them all up or losing a few.